So atoms and molecules chapter is going on. Now in this chapter, I told you that mole concept is there. So in mole concept, I have to do some numericals. That is, I want to mention some numericals for you. So those numericals I have written here. I will just solve those. Okay. Okay. The first sum is cinnabar, that is an ore of mercury. Cinnabar is Hgs, that is an ore of mercury. How many grams of Hg mercury is present in 23.36 gram of Hg? This is the question. The ore is, it is an ore. How many gram of Hg is present in 23.36 gram of the ore? It is HGS. The question is HGS. This is the whole amount of ore, that is HGS. In this amount, what is the amount of Hg? That you have to find out. So first of all, I have to find out the molar mass of HGS. Hg, what is the mass of Hg? That is given 200.5 U and sulfur is 32 U. Maybe sulfur will not be given to you, but Hg will be given to you, that is 200.5. So molar mass of HGS, answer 1, molar mass of HGS is equal to 200.5 plus 32. So you are getting 232.5 U. This is the molar mass of HGS. Now, in this molar mass, what is the amount of Hg? If this is the molar mass, here the amount of Hg is 200.5 gram. So if the amount is 23.36 gram, total amount of ore, then what is the amount of Hg? That you have to find out. Simply by unitary method, that is in 232.5 U of HGS, not U, I will take gram of HGS, amount of Hg, that is mercury, amount of mercury is 200.5 gram. So in 1 gram of HGS, amount of mercury is 200.5 divided by 232.5 gram. Now in the question, in 23.36 gram, in 23.36 gram of HGS, amount of mercury is 200.5 by 232.5 into 23.36 gram. So this one you have to solve. You can directly remove the decimal from here. This decimal will be here. For this decimal, 100 will come here. So if you solve it, if you are going to solve, you are going to get the answer as 20.6 gram. This is the answer. So I can say that in 23.36 gram of HGS, the amount of Hg is 20.6 gram. Okay. So in this way you can solve the sum. Second question, which has more number of atoms, 100 gram of N2 or 100 gram of NH3? So what I have to do? I have to find out the gram atomic mass or molecular mass of N2 and molecular mass of NH3. So number 2, what is the molar mass of N2? Molar mass of N2 equal to what? 2 into 14. That means 28 gram. This is the molar mass of N2. Now what is the molar mass of NH3? Molar mass of NH3 and this is equal to N is 14, 1 N, that means 1 nitrogen, mass of 1 nitrogen is 14 plus 3 hydrogen, that means 3 into 1, so you are getting 14 plus 3, that means 17 gram. If I calculate the number of moles of nitrogen molecule and number of moles of NH3, from there only I can say that how many number of particles, which is having more number of particles. So I am doing the rest portion of the sum here. Okay. Molar mass of N2 is 28 gram. So what is the number of mole in 28 gram? What will be the answer? Number of mole in 28 in 100 gram, actually which has more number of atoms in 100 gram of N2 or 100 gram of NH3. So number of moles of N2 will be what? Given mass divided by molar mass. This is the formula. Number of mole equal to given mass by molar mass. So given mass is 100 gram and molar mass I got 28 gram. So I have to divide and I have to get the answer. If I divide, I will get 3 point something. Okay. You do the calculation by your own. Now number of moles of NH3. Same formula, that is given mass divided by molar mass, 100 gram by 17 gram. So it will be 5 point something, 3 point some mole or 5 point something mole. So what I got? Which has more number of atoms I have to find out. If the number of mole is more, so number of atoms will be more. If the number of mole is more, definitely number of atom will be more. But here I have to consider which has more number of atoms of 100 gram of N2 or 100 gram of NH3. Now here I have to find out more number of atoms of what? The question I have to understand that which has more number of atoms of nitrogen. In NH3, what is the number of atoms of nitrogen, and in N2, what is the number of atoms of nitrogen? Here, number of moles of N2 is 3. So, number of atoms of N2 means it is molecule. So, N2 molecule will be 3 point something into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. But that is molecule, that is not atom. So if number of atoms of nitrogen is what? So it will be 3 point something into 2 mole. Number of atoms of nitrogen will be 3 point something into 2 because here N2 is present. So whatever may be the number of moles of N2, to find out the number of atoms, I have to multiply it by 2. That means that many moles of atoms of nitrogen are there. In case of NH3, N, so it is 5 point something will come. 5 point something into 1. Here no 2 will be multiplied. So actual answer is number of atoms of nitrogen is more here. Number of atoms of nitrogen will be more in 100 gram of N2. But if the question is number of molecules is more where? So in that case, this is the correct answer. If the same question you are going to get and the question is like that, which has more number of molecules, 100 gram of N2 or 100 gram of NH3? If more number of molecules, that is the question, in that case this one will have less number of molecules, this one will have more number of molecules. But the question is which one is having more number of atoms of nitrogen. So here number of atoms of nitrogen will be more, here number of atoms of nitrogen will be less because I got N2 molecule is having mole 3 point something So N atom will be 3 point something into 2 moles, that means 6 point something. In NH3, number of atoms of nitrogen will be same as the number of molecules of NH3, because in one molecule of NH3, one atom of nitrogen is there. Understood? So this is the second question. Now I will discuss some more questions. This is the third sum. What is written here? Prove that 5 mole of CO2 and 5 mole of H2O, they do not have the same mass. How to find out? You have to find out the molar mass of CO2 and molar mass of H2S. Then what is the mass of 5 mole of CO2 and what is the mass of 5 mole of H2S. So 1 mole of CO2 means mass of 1 mole of CO2, that is equal to C means carbon, so 12, O means oxygen, 2 into 16 because one atom of oxygen is 16. So what you are getting? 12 plus 32. So 44 gram. Okay. So mass of 1 mole of CO2 is 44 gram. So what is 5 mole? Mass of 5 moles of CO2. 5 moles of CO2 equal to 5 into 44 gram. So what is this? 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 220. So 5 mole of CO2 means 220 gram. This is about CO2. Now I have to find out what is the mass of 5 mole of H2S. So mass of 1 mole of H2S, mass of 1 mole of H2S equal to 2 into 1 plus 32. Hydrogen is having mass 1, sulfur is having mass 32, 1 atom of sulfur, 2 atom of hydrogen. So what you are getting? 34 gram. 32 plus 2 is 34. Now 5 moles. Mass of 5 moles of H2S. This is equal to 5 into 34 gram. So what you are getting? 5 fours are 20. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 5 mole of H2S means 170 gram and 5 mole of CO2 means 220 gram. So 220 gram and 170 gram, they are not same. So I can write that mass of 5 moles of CO2 is not equal to mass of 5 moles of 5 moles of H2S. It is proved. Okay. Another thing I want to say about the previous question, the second question. In the second question, I have written that which number of atoms in 100 gram of N2 and number of atoms of nitrogen in 100 gram of N2 and number of atoms of nitrogen in 100 gram of NH3, which is having more number of atoms. That was the question. Suppose nitrogen is not written in the question, only number of atoms. The question is which one is having more number of atoms, 100 gram of N2 or 100 gram of NH3. Nothing is mentioned about nitrogen, about hydrogen, nothing else. So in that case again the answer will be different. Why? Because in one molecule of NH3 the number of atom is 3 plus 1, 4. Total number of atoms, it may be nitrogen, total number of atom will be 4. But in case of N2, total number of atom will be 2. So I got the answer, that is number of moles of N2 was 3 point something So total number of atoms will be what? 3 into 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is Avogadro number. If total number of atoms in NH3, then what will be the answer? In NH3, my answer was number of mole was 5 point something. That means 100 gram of NH3 means 5 point something mole of NH3. So total number of atoms in that mole is 4 into 5 point something into Avogadro number. So which one is coming greater? 5 into 4 is 20, 3 into 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6 and here 5 into 4 is 20. So in that case, in NH3 number of atom will be more. So it depends upon the question. You have to clearly read the question. You have to find out that which has been asked, about which atom, about which molecule. This is very easy chapter, but the concept has to be clear. The question needs to be understood by you in a proper way. So today I have only discussed about these numericals. I will discuss more in my next video. Thank you.